Hello friends, in this video we'll see about question 11 of exercise 8.1 chapter 8 trigonometry. State whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. First question, the value of tan A is always less than 1. It is a false statement. It is because tan A lies between minus infinity to positive infinity. So it is not less than 1. Second question, secant A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Yes, it is true because secant A can always be more than 1 only. Third question, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. It is false. Cos A abbreviation for cosine A. Cos A is equal to cosine A. And cosecant is written as cosecant A. So they are totally different. Fourth question is cot A is the product of cot and A. This is also false. Cot A is cot of angle A and not cot product of cot and A. Fifth question, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. It is also false because the value comes out to be more than 1, 4 by 3. Sin theta ranges between 0 to 1. So this is a false statement. Thank you.